Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to add the countdown timer widget to your Webflow website. It only takes 2 minutes and you don't need any specific skills to do it. First, go to Elfsight and choose the countdown timer widget in the menu list. Link in the description. Click Create Widget. Now, let's create your widget. Begin by choosing a template that suits your needs best. Click Continue with this template. Set up your countdown timer by specifying the type, start and end times, time zone, and position on the page to create a visually appealing and informative element for your website. Customize the button on your timer, including the text, link, and click action, to create a call to action that encourages your website visitors to take the next step. Customize the chat widget's appearance, including colors, fonts, and backgrounds, to perfectly match your website's design and create a visually appealing experience for your visitors. Click Add to Website to get the embed code for your website. Log in or sign up to Elfsight. It's free, no credit card required. After you sign up, you'll see the widget you just created. Click on the code to copy it and go to your Webflow admin panel. In your Webflow Designer, add an embed element to your page. Open the code editor and paste the widget code into it. Now let's add the widget to your Webflow website. Log into your Webflow account and open the editor for your website. Click the plus symbol icon in the Webflow Designer. Drag and drop the embed element to the place where you want the widget to appear. Paste your Elfsight installation code into the Embed Code Editor window, then click Save and Close. When ready, click Publish and select Publish to selected domains to make the changes live. That's it. Your Form Builder widget is now live on your Webflow website. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your day.